Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to search the apps that you purchased on your iPhone or iPad. First, you click on Settings, then you click on your name. Click on your name. Then down here you will see where it says iTunes and App Store. Click on iTunes and App Store. After you see that, at the very top, I'm not going to show it, but at the very top you click on your Apple ID. And then right here where it says View Apple ID, at the very top right here, click on View Apple ID. Okay, after you do that, you scroll down to Purchase History. Loading, loading, loading. Boom, there's everything for purchase history. You can see all your purchases. Like I said, this is the app that I bought. I didn't know that I was buying that app. So if you want to dispute something, you click on it. You can see this is pending, so you can't actually do anything when it's pending. And obviously you can't get a refund on $0. But I'm just going to show you an example. Let's just say that this one costs money. You're like, hey, I didn't want that, or I didn't authorize that, or whatever. You go ahead and click on where it says Total Billed. Okay, and then you see everything here. You click on the app itself. And then you see right here where it says Report a Problem. Click Report a Problem. Okay, and then right here it says Purchase from iPhone. You can click what the problem is. Item didn't download, app fails to install, app doesn't work, whatever. I've had that happen many times, so you can actually do this. Let's just hit done. But right here at the bottom, you'll see where it says additional help with this item, go to subscriptions and purchase support. This is if you have something that's reoccurring and you don't want it to be reoccurring anymore. You just go ahead and click on this at the bottom. You'll see where it comes up subscriptions and purchases. You just go down. Here you can request a refund. Here you can cancel your subscription or go ahead and go back and view your purchase history. Or right here even, very unfamiliar charges. So boom, it just tells you everything to do. So I just wanted to show that because I had quite a hard time trying to figure out, oh, how do I see everything? How do I request a refund, etc. So I hope this helps somebody. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.